PepoCloud is an amazing screen recorder used by professionals to record the screen on the go, and it is by far the best screen recorder that is available in the market. It is a web application and has hassle-free process to record your PC screen. It has an amazing UI. You can also invite your guests to share the screen with you, and sharing makes your work so simple. Go ahead guys and try PepoCloud for yourself.
Hello guys, this is your boy Emmanuel and welcome back to yet another video from me. Today we're going to look at Active Presenter, which is a screen recorder, and we're going to look at how to download Active Presenter and how to work with it. Alright, let's jump right in and take a look at this. I'm just going to click on Chrome here. I'm going to search for Active Presenter. There you go. So you have a website called atomissystems.com. I'm going to click here. Alright, this is the page for downloading Active Presenter 8. So I'm going to download the Windows version. Alright, I'm just going to click here to install Active Presenter. Okay, I'm gonna accept the agreement. I'm gonna give the installation directory and I'm gonna click installed. It's gonna take a couple of minutes. There you go. I think it's done. At the bottom bar here it says Active Presenter. I'm gonna open this page and I'm just gonna click on finish. Okay, I would prefer a dark theme, so I just select dark and click on continue. Okay, so Active Presenter shows me a lot of options for choosing the styles of slides, and this is gonna go with a gemstone. Alright, if you look here, it says blank project, record video, record software simulation, and responsive project. So I'm just gonna click on record video here, and there you go. I've got a preview of my camera here. I just have to click whether I have to use a full screen or just half the screen or this custom screen. I can actually adjust these screens. So I think I just want full screen, so I just choose full screen, and here is my video. And for the audio options, it asks me this. So I already have a microphone, so I'm just choosing this microphone because the one that was previously there was my webcam's microphone, so that would not be a good fit for the recording. So all I have to do is click on record here, and there you go. The recording is going to start. Alright, the recording has started and I have started doing this. For example, I'm just hovering over this website and talking about this website in the video, and once I have finished my recording, I just have to click on the bottom panel here and just stop. And there you go. We've got a working screen recording software, and it has recorded my video, and I also get to work with the timeline of the video. Alright, here is my recording, and it has an active timeline where I could edit my videos. So I can also click on the webcam footage here and the screen recording here, and I can adjust these sizes here like this. I think this is bigger than what I want, so I'm just gonna reduce the size of the webcam presentation, and then I'm gonna click on the screen sharing part here, and I think this is a good size, so I don't have to actually change anything here. And if you look at the right panel here, there is an option to choose your cursor effects. So I can just give a sound for mouse click and I can give a click effect, which should be a circle or concentric circles or square. Just go with circle. Okay, so if I click, and it's gonna show me a little circle over there, and you can always choose the color of the circle. I prefer red, something, this is more, I prefer red, so I just give red. And these are all the options that you can play with for the cursor effects. I'm just gonna quickly click on play button here. Alright, the recording has started and I have started doing this. For example, I'm just hovering over this website and talking about this website in the video. And once I have finished my recording, I just have to click on the bottom panel here and just, alright, it's pretty good. I think the video output has come out extraordinarily well, and this is a clean recorder, and this is what everyone wants, a clean recorder, and it should be user friendly, and the recorder should allow us to present for a long time, and also the recorder must allow us to edit these videos. Most of the recorders does not allow the user to actually edit the videos. Active Presenter is a software which allows the user to edit these videos before posting it on YouTube or wherever they want. All right, I'm just gonna click on general options here, and the general options just gives you an idea of slides and how do you talk about the slides, because this Active Presenter is basically for slides, basically for making presentations. So I can just order the slides, slide 1, and what should be the description and how much duration is the first slide going to be, because the first slide in this I just recorded the screen, but if I'm recording a presentation, I can just give slide 1. It starts from these seconds to these seconds, like 0 seconds. I can say that this slide starts from 10 seconds to 20 seconds, and I can just give a narration for that particular slide, and this makes you create a PowerPoint presentation with audio, timed audio, in an easy manner. So I think Active Presenter is more for business users, but also a common guy like you and me can use this Active Presenter for presenting our screen, and in that way Active Presenter is very useful and is a very powerful software to use. So now I'm going to export this video. I'm just going to click on export, and we've got a variety of export options. I'm not using a PowerPoint presentation, I'm not using Word or Excel. I'm just going to export it to a video. So I will click on video here, and I can choose the width and height of the video. I can select the sample rate of the audio that I'm using, and I can also select the format. MP4 is good for me, so I'm just gonna click on OK. Okay, it is exported successfully. I'm just gonna click on view output now. And there you go. Alright, the recording has started and I have started doing this. For example, I'm just hovering over this website and talking about this web. And as you can see, there is no watermark or anything around here, so it's pretty good. I think Active Presenter will be a useful tool for a lot of screen recording users, and it is also free to use up to a certain level, so I guess you can make use of it and create your screen recording videos. Alright guys, this is it from me today, and I will come up with another screen recorder soon enough and meet you guys in the next video. Thank you guys. If you like my videos, please subscribe and give us a like. See you again.